Hi, kindergartners. Today we are going to do some magic and learn how to change a word from meaning one of something to meaning more than one of something. And we're going to do some words to know. I love words to know because it helps me read books. So let's look at a picture is of a cat. I love cats. Remember the letter S usually stands for so what was that letter I just said? S. And what was the sound it makes? S. That's correct. We can add parts to a word to change its meaning. So today we are going to look at how to change the meaning of a word. So here's our first word is cat. Here's my picture of my cat. One cat. So I'm going to write down cat. So C-A-T spells cat. On the other side, do I have more than one cat? I do. I have lots of cats. Actually, I have two cats. So C-A-T. Now, that's cat, which means one. So to make more than one, all I have to do is add an ending to that word to make it mean more than one. And that ending is S. So now I have one cat on this side, on the left, and it's cat. And on the right, I have more than one, so it's cats. You hear that S sound? Cats. If I take that S away, now I have the word cat. And it won't go with that picture clue because there's two cats. So I need an S. So let's add that S back. Now let's see if it works on other words. I have one bat, and then I have three bats. Not just two, but three. So let's see. Let's see if we can first write the word bat. The at bat. Now that's one bat, but I'm going to do magic. I'm going to change it from bat to meaning more than one bat. So the at. To make it more than one, all I have to do is add the ending part, S. So my word was bat, and now it's bats. I have more than one bat. It could be two, it could be three, it could be four. It could be a lot of numbers because it just means more than one. So if I take the S off, I have bat. Only means one, so I'd have to move it over to my other bat. But if I add S, now I have bats, more than one. That worked on both of those words. Let's see if it works on another word. This is a picture of cap. 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 One cap. Now, on this side, there's three, so it's more than one. So I have cap. Now I'm going to add that S. And I have caps, which means more than one. Take off the S, one. Add the S, more than one. Magic. So my word is cap, and I'm changing it by adding an S. Now I have one map, and then I have one, two, three maps. So let's see if we can do this. App, map, one. Okay. App, but more than one. What do I add? You are right. We added S. So now we have maps, which means more than one. So map and maps. Take off the S. Now it's one. Add the S. Now it means more than one. Let's look at our next word. A rat. You know how to spell rat? Rat. Got it. Now, more than one rat. How do I make my word rat into more than one? Rat, one. Now I need more than one. Add an S. Awesome job, Joey. So we added our S, and now we have rats. Now we're going to look at fans, more than one. So let's look at the word fan. Fan. Now we're going to change it. How are we going to change it? Here's fan. So I want more than one. We add our ending part, which is an S. But this time when I say it, I don't say fans, fans. I say fans. I have a little bit of a Z sound. Z, fans. So there's a little different. You'll see it on some words and you'll start hearing it when other people do it, and you probably do it and don't even realize it. So you're writing an S, but sometimes we pronounce it just a little different. What's this picture clue of? This is a bib. B-ib. Bib. Okay. Oh, and on this side I have more than one. So let's do it. B-I-B spells bib. But there's more than one. So magic. Add an S. Bibs. It sounded like a Z again, didn't it? But I put an S. Bibs. Take off the S. Ooh, that didn't work. Take off the S. And it's one. Bib. Add the S. More than one. Magic. Now we have the word. This is a picture of a can. Can. But this one, I see a can, but there's more than one. What do I do? Okay, you're right. We're going to add an S. Cans. Now you got it. I'm just going to keep saying add an S, aren't I? Well, cans. I added the ending part of an S, but if I take that, ooh, I did it again. I did what I just did a minute ago. I take off, sorry. I took off the S, and now I have can. But my picture's more than one, and my person reading wouldn't know what I meant unless I add the S, so they know I meant more than one can. Cans. Oh, and had that Z. Okay, let's try this one. I have a pan, and pan. Now, that's one, but I need to do my magic and change it to more than one. And what do? I add that ending, S, and I got it. Pans. Oh, what I heard that Z again. Okay, now we have a pen, and there's more than one. What am I going to do? I have the word pen, but I got more than one showing, so I do my magic, and I add an S. Pens. Take the S off, one pen. Add the S, more than one pen. Pen, pens. Pen, pens. Okay, so now guys, we are going to look at some words to know. So here's our word to know. See the word? Look right up here. You see it? How many letters is it? 3 letters. D-I-D. Now this is the word did. Can you please say that? Say did. Good. Now let's spell the word D-I-D. So, you ready? We're going to spell it like 3 times so we try to get it into our head. So let's do like arm raises here. Ready? D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. D-I-D, did. One more. D-I-D, did. Well, you know, I didn't ask you to a piece of paper. So if you don't have paper and pencil close by, press pause and go get you a piece of paper and a pencil, crayon, marker, something to write with and write on. Hit pause. I think you're back now, right? Okay, so we just did it. Let's do it one more time so we can remember what we're going to write. D-I-D, did. I did it. I did it. Did you do it? Let's see if you can write this word. So remember it. And let's get to, there you go. I don't have something to look at while we're writing, but the word's gone. So write the word did. I did it. Did. You got it? Let's check it. Did you put D-I-D, did? Good job. Woohoo. All right, let's try the next one. This is the word in. See the word? In. Say the word. Okay. Let's spell the word. I-N. in. So just two letters. So let's see. How about we go I in spells in, I in spells in, I in spells in. Did you get it? All right. Got your paper? Write the word in. I put my toy in my box. In. Let's check it. I in spells in. Good job. And here's our last word to know, and it's the word put. I think I just said that when I said I put my toy in my box. So the word put. P-U-T. Now look up here. There it is. See it? P-U-T. Put. Put. Funny word, isn't it? Put. Okay. So let's see, guys. We're doing our athletic stuff today, so let's just punch out a little. P-U-T. Put. P-U-T. Put. P-U-T. Put. You got it? Okay, got your paper? Write your word. Write the word put. Okay, let's check it. Did you get P-U-T? Put. Very good job. Okay, so we have looked at these three words today. This is the word did, in, put. You got your pointing finger? Okay, point to the word put. Point to the word in. Point to the word did. Now let's read them straight across. Ready? Did, in, put. You guys, we have looked at how to magically change a word from one to meaning more than one. We had cat, and we added our S, and now we have cats. We had bib, and we added the letter S, and now we have bibs. So sometimes it has that S sound, and sometimes it has that Z sound. So guys, you are doing such a good job, and I enjoyed being with you. So I'll see you again later.